welcome to Music for Androids, a channel where hopefully I'm going to go from complete and utter beginner to being able to build something musical and electrical. I just want to sort of document the journey, and if it helps anyone, that'd be great. If anyone can help me, that'd be great as well. So in this one, I'm building a Atari Punk Console. Built a few of them. I'm sure lots of people watching this have built them, and if you're watching to figure out how to build one, then hopefully this is some sort of help. I shall put a schematic up, the one that I'm using for this build, in a few seconds, and a link to the where you can find that exact one. I'll put that in the description. It's a nice build. It's quite satisfying. It's not very musical. There we go. So yeah, you can see basically once you get your head around it, I've found it's quite helpful practice to be able to build them, and it's only about 10 components I think as well, which is always an advantage. You don't have to have a vast stock of parts. So it took about 6 or 7 minutes to build it. I'm not going to try and talk over the whole thing, so I shall speed it up, and we'll get to the end bit where we can hear the annoying noise that it makes. Okay, we'll slow it down a bit and figure out what it sounds like. You might have noticed a slight mistake, which I figured out eventually. But yeah, right now we're not going to get any noise, as is evident there. But any moment now I'll work that out, and yeah, we can get this beautiful Atari-esque sound. So there we go. It's not musical, it's not a song or anything, but it's fun. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it helps someone somewhere, and yeah, there you go.